Hello guys, today we're gonna make this bike tutorial. This is my radar so I don't get lost in the woods I go and security part. This is backmail system, it beep when I go too close for things. For example, if I get my bike too close to this chair, it's gonna go like beep 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 beep. Take a look at my exhaust. This makes me go 20% faster. So I would advise you get this exhaust when I take long rides. I wanna wank off, yeah, and then I just look at this baby. And if I see some people I don't like on the street, I take my fucking fish tongue and shoot them in the ass. It is very deadly. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna take some tissues. Sorry, it was my fault. Okay, we are good now. So, if anything does not go well and something breaks, I have this super strong super flex tape.
That's a lot of damage.
I can see, and the camera quality is 4K. Super strong Nokia battery, it's from Nokia, and I can get my ride going on. And you ask me, why do I have so many things on my face? Well, I have fallen too many ways. I have fallen on the ground too many times, so I better be secured. See, so if I drive in the night, I need to be seen, so I got my tie so people can see me. And if I want to get some time, fuck, I didn't put my Nokia battery in the chip. If I drive and there is sun, I get my dual glasses. This is for eye protections and this is from the sun. And together they make a really good combo. I can listen to some music from my radar whilst I'm driving. And this is just for good looks. Oh yeah, I'm an Uber too. You can see this special seat for my passengers, especially when I drive off-road. It's very soft for them. Their buttocks get smacked. I just get the notifications on my radar. It is 2040 radar.